Welcome back to the mat, everyone. This sequence was designed to bring a little balance back to your lives. So we'll get started lying on our backs, having both feet bent. Just rest here for a moment, just feeling your backside press into the mat, getting acclimated to a new position. And go ahead and draw your right knee in towards your chest. And take that knee in circles, clockwise and counterclockwise, just working out through your hip. Cross your right foot over your left knee. Hang out here in a figure four for a moment, getting an external rotation in your right hip. Bring your right knee back to center, placing the soles of both feet down onto the mat. Your left leg will straighten long and your right knee falls out to the side. And you might notice a deeper stretch in the outside of the right hip. Let's breathe into that space. Right knee stays where it is, left leg draws in, bringing the soles of both feet together so both knees fall open. Reclined butterfly. Take your hands on the outside of both knees, bringing them back closer together, soles of the feet back onto the floor, left side. We'll take your left knee in towards your chest, and then start to open that knee out to the side, taking that knee in circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. Then crossing your left ankle over right knee, hang out here in your reclined figure four shape. Just noticing, what does the outside of that left hip feel like? Also notice if you feel any pressure in your knee, and you might want to have the knee more towards the midline of your body versus out to the side. Bring your left knee back into center as you extend right leg long, and then just allow the left knee to open out towards the side. Sole of the left foot will touch the inside of your right leg for a reclined tree pose. Left leg stays where it is. Bend your right knee, bringing the soles of both feet in together for a reclined butterfly. Just allowing gravity to do the work to open up the hips a little bit. Take your palms on the outside of the knees to bring them both back closer together. Hug your knees into your chest. And rock along your spine to bring yourself up to a seat. And then we'll take our practice into stand. So however feels best for you, make your way up to stand. So now that we've made it up to stand, make sure that all 10 toes are pointing forward. Your feet are right underneath your knees, knees right underneath your hips, shoulders rolled back to align them over your hips. So you're going to shift the weight into your right foot. Peel your left heel off the mat. Then bring your left knee right in line with your chest. You can have your hands on your hips for some extra balance. Take that knee out to the side. And just as when we were on our backs, you just want to start to take this knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Getting into your hip. Then you'll cross your left ankle right above your right knee. And we'll be in a standing figure four. You can bring your palms to heart center and hang out here. If you'd like to extend your arms up high towards the ceiling, grow the branches of your alternate version of a tree. Start to bring your palms back in towards center, lowering them down. Bring your knee back to center, and then lower your foot all the way down. You can circle out your ankles, reset before we make our way to the other side. So grounding into left foot this time. Peel the right heel off the mat. Then lift your right knee right in line with your hip. It can even be a little higher than your hip. Take that knee out to the side and start to sweep it into some circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. Notice if you feel any clicking and popping in your hip. I do quite a bit. It's not an indication that anything is wrong, just maybe that hip is a little bit stiff. Then go ahead and cross your ankle over your opposite knee. Palms come together at heart center. Either stay here and be grounded, or if you'd like to, you can grow and expand the branches of your tree, reaching up towards the sky. You tilt and teeter, that's quite all right. If you fall out, just jump back in. Palms come right back to heart center. Remove your ankle from above your knee, and then lower that knee all the way down. That's the end of our practice for today. Thank you.